Okay, now we're in the owner suite with the renovations. We're actually covered up this wall here, and we'll give you a peek at it. Okay, master's coming along. The fireplace is covered up. We have our second walk-in closet now built out. And the next fun project is our master bathroom. We removed the floor because I don't use a tub. And I like my vanity area, so I can sit down and relax when I do my hair and makeup. We are who we are. So we tried to actually remove this to put in recessed medicine cabinet mirror, but unfortunately the framing behind it is structural, so we had to patch it back up. So we are now needing to level this out because they built it up so much for some reason. So, continues on.